Hi, today I have a challenge lock for you guys, and this time it's a challenge lock called 40 Smith N Dubya. So it's number 3, probably challenge lock, and it's from lockpicking. I have no idea, to be honest. I need to check after this who is the one that it's pinned this lock and create this challenge lock. When I got it, I did mummify the keys. I think it was sent to me by Camel Lock. Camel Lock, thank you very much for sending it to me. I'm not sure, but anyways, it was not mummified, and this is like my tape, so I usually want to mummify when I got it, so I don't know the bidding. Maybe it's some kind of a fantastic bidding, maybe not. And it's set home security. I don't know, to be honest. And it's taped like this, so yeah, I don't know why. So let me put it upside down for some of you. For me it's right orientation. It's very shiny, so I'll try to do it like this. And so let's start. I will use the usual, this kind of tangent tool, clockwise, and of course the forest diamond. So let's start. Challenge lock. 1, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, binding, click from 4, 5, nothing, 6. I cannot check how many pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 5-pin lock. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's binding. Come on, 4. So let me reset it. Oh, it was, yeah, 4, click from 4, nothing from 5. 1, now it's binding, click from 1, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing. So let me go again. 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, nothing. Did I overset something from start? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5 is binding. Click from 5. Back. Now it's 2. It's binding. Click from 2, and we are open. I'll take it, but let me check again. I'm just curious. This is like I got lucky or what? 4, click, 5, nothing. Now 1, nothing, 3, click, 5 is binding, click from 5, 2. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I got lucky with the forest diamond. Pick is pick. So let me grab a pinning tray. I don't know where my new pinning trays. Hopefully, probably I gave them away, and I don't have a regular pinning tray. This is the first version of my pinning tray. So where did I put the keys? So let me unmummify them. I'm a bit confused. Usually it took me a long time to just start with the challenge locks, and sometimes I got lucky, don't get me wrong. Sometimes it's like the forest diamond. Oh, that's why sometimes the bidding is not that good. But in this case I think the forest diamond is perfect. Let me show you why. When I pick them, so when I go, usually, yeah, this is like, no, like this will be picked, and I don't know, I just don't want to be So yeah, it's working, the key is working. There are two keys, so let's try to disassemble this one. So yeah, I can see now why it was an easy pick. So let me show you the pins. All the drivers are standard and the springs are the same. The only difference is their pins, the key pins are serrated. So in this case, the only thing that you need to be careful when picking this one is just not to overset. If you overset, then then you need to start from all over again. So it's a very cool serrated key pins. Nothing was done on the core, so 5-pin, nothing special, and on the body I think it was let me grab pick, so everything seems standard. Yeah, so yeah, yeah, I don't know on which side this was, but yeah, I did not mark it. But yeah, this was at least easy challenge lock. Usually got like a lot of tough one. I'm glad that I have one easy now. So this was a 40mm Smith N Dubya by number 3 by probably challenge lock by lockpicking Paul. I don't know. I'll need to check, and I will put it in the description and put it text somewhere. So whoever it is, thank you very much for pinning this one. And guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.